Do you know that your height can make you think that your partner don't know how to knack? Yes. Are you doubting it? Calm down. I will explain better in this my video. Please, if you are a born again, this video is not for you. And for those of una wey go come my comment section, they tell me say this, they tell me that. Please, every video is not for you. Save your save your preaching to yourself, or convert it to money so that I can be able to understand what you are saying. Yes, to my couples, do you know that your height can affect your knacking style, or will make you think that your husband or your wife don't know how to knack? Yes, because the position you take, the how you position yourself determines the way they are going to knack you. If you are a woman and you have a longer leg, eh, if your guy has a shorter leg, it will be a problem o. No be the same position wey normal person get, as in normal equal height with the same person, maybe with your partner. No be the same position una go stay o. You understand? For example, if you are a longer height, that is if your leg is more longer than your husband, especially women, if you are taller than your husband, it's not the same position that you will stay. It might be the same style, but it can never be the same position. For example now, if your leg is shorter and your husband want to take you from back, look at the way you are going to stay. You will stay like this. I don't know if you guys can see it. You are going to stay like this because your leg is short. And when your husband kneel down, the thing will be equal. It will position well. But when you have a longer leg, you have to spread your leg. Spread your leg like this. Provided that your husband is a short man or is an average man. If your leg is short and you widen your leg, it can never balance. Yes, the knacking position will not balance. But if you have a longer nail, as not baga is longer, you have to widen it when you are doing it from back, when you are doing monkey style. Yes, I know say most of una no know this thing, but I just say make I just tell una this simple trick. You know say most of una, when your husband want to do it from back, if you are taller and you just straighten your leg like as if you are kneeling down like this, the thing no go balance. It will make your husband as in like sit so that the thing will suit. But if you as in straighten your nail, in fact, I need a better place to explain this thing more, but for now take it like this because it will help you. Just practice wetin I tell you now. My people, I greet una.